Hi, I'm Sebastian with TEVA3D. In this video, I will show you how to use TEVA from a sharing link. So you'll just receive a sharing link via email or you scan a QR code in order to arrive on this page. Let me first explain the UI component that you can see here. At the top right corner, you have four options. The first one is the rendering mode, for which you have four sub-options: solid, X-ray, illustration, or wireframe. The second option is the comment section, where you, your team, or your manufacturer can leave a comment about the project. Next, we have the measuring tool. To use the measuring tool, first set the measuring system to imperial or metric, then click a point in your design where you want to start your measurement and one where you want to stop your measurement. You will then have the total dimension on the X, Y, and Z axis, as well as the total length of the measurement. The final option is the section view. The section view allows you to cut your project in half on a specific axis and see only the part that you want to look at. To use it, you first need to activate it. Then choose the desired axis. With this option, you can choose which side of the axis will be shown. Finally, you need to set the position of the cut in millimeters with either the input field or the slider. If I move the slider, you can see that the cut view is following it. At the bottom left corner, you have the view selection tool where you can choose from which direction you want to look at your scene. Speaking of direction, holding down the left mouse button and moving the mouse around will change the orientation of the camera, but it will keep its position. The right mouse button will pan the camera left, right, up and down while keeping its orientation. Clicking on the wheel of the mouse, you can make the camera orbit around your cursor. And finally, the mouse wheel itself will allow you to zoom in and zoom out. At the bottom left corner, you also have the camera orientation gizmo that shows you the current orientation of your camera. If you ever get lost and can't see your project anymore, just click on the Reset Camera button found next to the View Selection tool to reset the camera position. At the bottom right corner, you can set the application in full screen. Finally, at the top left corner, you have access to four options. The first one is the Account Management tab. The second option is the Project Information tab, where you can find the project's name, author, creation date, last modification date, the project version, and its current state. The third option is the Sharing Link Options tab, where you will find the link to your project as well as the sharing options that lets you dictate what features are accessible with the link. The final option is the project tree. When clicking on an object in the tree, TEVA will highlight this object in the scene, showing you where it is located in the project. Using the I button next to each object, you can hide or isolate part of the project. You can also search for a specific object in the search bar above the tree view. If you open the application by scanning a QR code, the view that you will have will be similar to this one. Thank you for watching this video. In the next one, we will see the TEVA3D project subscription system.